Happy Monday, everybody. I hope you had a great weekend. Thanks a lot for tuning back in. Do not forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Let's take a look at Ethereum. So since last update, I was looking at prices to form a local bottom somewhere within this support area that I gave you between 2,423 and 2,263. So it appears that prices did form a local bottom around the 702% retracement. Now prices have moved back up. I was looking for a 3-wave back up as a correction for a B within an ABC, or also a 3-wave move back up as a correction for a 2. So you have the B in blue and the 2 in green. These two scenarios are bearish. One is aggressively bearish very soon. It's the green count. So once we reach climax of this wave 2 correction, I would expect prices, or should I say, if prices move back down aggressively in a 5-wave structure to form a wave 3 and break this invalidation level of 2,150, then that would be an indication that the green scenario is unfolding and we are going to reach $1,880 rather soon. I say rather soon because I also have this target, but in a different scenario, the blue count. The blue count is looking at the structure we started since early August as an Elliott triangle with 3-wave up for A, 3-wave down for B, 3-wave up for C, and now are we doing 3-wave down for D? This remains to be validated, but the idea is that once we do the D, we go back up 3 more waves to finalize the triangle as wave E, and then we drop towards $1,880. These two scenarios are bearish because they start with the assumption that the correction in which prices are since early March, since the top of $4,100 is unfolding is an ABC. Up until now, everything is fine. We have the A down, we have the B up, and the C down. We did complete only 3 waves for sure with the most recent low of early August. And the question is the wave 4 correction finished or not? If it is finished, then everything is fine and I will switch to the red count. If it is not finished and the triangle is unfolding, then wave 4 would finish around here at the top of the triangle. And then prices would go down in a 5-wave pattern to form the last leg of this correction. And then we would see prices jump back up to new all-time high. But this would happen from a lower level than the one initially anticipated, which was early August, and much later than initially anticipated. Much later because there is another alternative, and this one doesn't have a lot of weight into my scale. And the reason is simple. We made a low early August, then we have a wave 1 in 3 waves for the red count, but prices corrected towards what is potentially a wave 2. It is still possible to be a wave 2 because we didn't break the low of wave 1. However, we retraced almost the entire move of wave 1. So it's difficult to include this as an impulse. I still do it because it was not invalidated, but it has very little probability in my list of potential unfolding movement for Ethereum. Nonetheless, should this red impulse be still in play, after the low we made on the 6th of September, prices did move in a 5-wave structure up to form wave 1. Within that wave 1, we would be now doing the wave 2 correction. Question mark where wave 2 would end up, but I wouldn't be surprised that wave 2 would end up somewhere around $2,200 plus minus. This wave, this red count has a minimum expected target of above $3,000. I don't give any precise number because I don't put much credit onto the scenario. However, if you want to use the approach of Elliott and target expansion, then you could count on a wave 5 of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so wave 5 in red of 3 in bracket to end up at $3,038. That's the minimum expected target. So there you have it for the updates. 3 counts, 2 counts that have a bit more probabilities to happen, the green and the blue. And right now we would be looking at prices to find resistance somewhere in that area if it's not already done. Should prices start to break the local structure of higher highs and higher lows, then we can assume that the trend is down, at least for the short term, and we would count for 5 wave move down to form a C of D or a wave 3. Should wave 3 in green accelerate and break the invalidation level of 2,150, then the green count is in play, and we would expect prices to reach 1,880 rather soon. That's it for the update. I hope you like it. Appreciate you a lot for liking, commenting, and subscribing on the channel. I'll speak to you very soon. I wish you a great day. You take care. Be well. Bye-bye.